In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview files in OneDrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly check the contents of a file without opening it in a separate app, which can save time and help you confirm you're working with the right document, image, or video. First, sign into your OneDrive account. Use any modern web browser and log in with your Microsoft credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct account where your files are stored, especially if you use more than one profile for work and personal files. Once you're in, you'll land on the OneDrive home interface. Next, look to the left side of the screen and select My Files. This section shows the folders and files you've uploaded or organized in your OneDrive. If your sidebar is collapsed, you might see icons instead of text. Expanding it can make navigation easier. After clicking My Files, you'll see your content arranged in a list or grid, depending on your view settings. Find the file you want to preview, then move your cursor over it to reveal additional options. Click the three dots beside the file name. This is the More Options menu, and it's where OneDrive gathers actions like share, copy, and of course preview. If you don't immediately see the three dots, hover your mouse directly over the file row or make your browser window a bit wider so the menu isn't hidden. In the menu that appears, click the preview option. Depending on your layout, you may see it labeled simply as preview or presented like a tab in the viewer. Once selected, OneDrive opens a quick look at the file right in your browser. This lets you confirm the contents, scan through pages of a document, or visually check an image without launching a separate application. Preview works with many common file types, including documents, spreadsheets, presentations, images, PDFs, and some media files. If the preview option doesn't appear, it may be because the file type isn't supported for browser preview, or the file is too large to render quickly. It can also happen if you don't have permission to view a shared item at a detailed level. In those cases, verify the file type and your access. That's the whole process. Log in, go to My Files, open the three-dot menu next to your file and choose Preview. With this simple workflow, you can speed up your review process and stay focused on what matters. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother OneDrive experience.